Holy cow, what is going on, guys? I'm out of breath. Oh my god, I'm in my chair. I'm excited, I'm pumped, I'm ready. You guys gotta stay tuned for an awesome video segment coming at you live every Monday and Tuesday. There'll be clips of it. All I'm gonna say is it involves a certain type of vehicle. Stay tuned for more. I like to hold you guys in suspense. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I make videos every Monday and Tuesday. Don't forget to share and pound that like button. Stay safe, get out there, and get wrenching on some projects.